Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. The Ford Excursion is back, and it's bigger, bolder, and more powerful than ever. After nearly 2 decades of waiting, Ford has resurrected the ultimate heavy-duty SUV, blending rugged capability with modern luxury. But does the 2025 Ford Excursion live up to its legendary status? Let's dive in and find out. At first glance, the 2025 Excursion makes an immediate statement. It retains the massive, truck-based stance that made the original a favorite among large SUV lovers. Built on Ford's Super Duty platform, it towers over the competition, measuring nearly 19 feet in length. The bold front grille, inspired by the F-Series lineup, features a large Ford emblem, flanked by LED headlights with a distinctive C-clamp design. The muscular lines and high ground clearance scream durability, while the sculpted body gives it a modern touch. Available in multiple trims, from the rugged XLT to the premium Platinum, there's an Excursion for every kind of driver. Optional 22-inch wheels, a panoramic sunroof, and blacked-out trim packages allow for even more personalization. Under the hood, the Excursion brings serious power. Ford offers 2 engine choices, a 6.8-liter V8 gas engine producing 430 horsepower and 485 lb-ft of torque, and for those who need more muscle, a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel V8 delivering a massive 500 horsepower and 1,100 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal power distribution. Built on the Super Duty chassis, the Excursion is designed to tow like a beast. With a max towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, this SUV can easily haul boats, trailers, or even another vehicle. The heavy-duty suspension and available 4-wheel drive system provide stability and control, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. With seating for up to 9 passengers, the Excursion is perfect for families, road trips, or anyone who needs a cavernous interior. The second and third rows offer generous legroom, and with the available captain's chairs, you can create an even more upscale experience. Premium materials, including leather upholstery, real wood trim, and a soft-touch dashboard, elevate the feel of the cabin. The Platinum trim takes luxury to another level with massaging seats, a suede headliner, and ambient lighting. Ford's noise-canceling technology ensures a quiet ride, even at highway speeds. Ford has packed the Excursion with cutting-edge tech. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen, powered by the latest SANC5 infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, and voice recognition. For those who love entertainment on the go, the rear seat passengers can enjoy optional dual 12-inch entertainment screens with streaming capabilities. A premium 18-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system provides crisp audio throughout the cabin, turning road trips into immersive experiences. Despite its size, the Excursion is designed to be easy and safe to drive. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 technology suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering this giant SUV much easier, while trailer sway control helps when towing heavy loads. New for 2025, the Excursion also features hands-free Blue Cruise technology, allowing for semi-autonomous driving on pre-mapped highways. This makes long-distance travel less stressful and more convenient. A vehicle of this size isn't expected to be a fuel saver, but Ford has made improvements in efficiency. The gas-powered V8 is expected to deliver around 15 mpg combined, while the diesel engine offers slightly better fuel economy at approximately 18 mpg. For a full-size SUV with this level of power and capability, these numbers are respectable. For those who crave adventure, the Excursion doesn't disappoint. The available FX4 off-road package includes skid plates, all-terrain tires, and an upgraded suspension for better ground clearance. A dedicated rock crawl mode and electronic locking rear differential ensure that you can tackle rugged terrain with confidence. Whether you're exploring backcountry trails or towing a camper into the wilderness, the Excursion is built to handle it all. So, how much does all this power and luxury cost? The 2025 Ford Excursion starts at around $75,000 for the base XLT trim, while the fully loaded Platinum Edition can exceed $100,000. With production set to begin in late 2024, dealerships are already taking reservations, and demand is expected to be high. The return of the Ford Excursion is a game-changer for the full-size SUV segment. It's a powerhouse built for those who need maximum space, power, and towing capability without compromising on modern comforts. Whether you're hauling your family, towing heavy loads, or heading off the beaten path, the 2025 Excursion is ready for the challenge. Would you consider buying the new Excursion, or is it just too big for today's roads? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. See you in the next one.